What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at Bitcoin on the daily. You know that I am waiting for this potential scenario in the next coming days, maybe hitting 46, 47, or even $48,000 area. In the immediate short term, we're going to analyze the situation now, guys, because now is the moment of truth. We did hit the D point from this bearish Gartley. As you can see, we're getting resistance from this major level. Now, this is the time where we either break out in the next coming hours, or we're going to get a big rejection. I'm going to show you my trading plan. I'm going to show you the potential scenarios that could happen in the next coming hours. So make sure to stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe daily to and Bitcoin crypto. Also do live streaming to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Don't bear sell anything that I say. Guys, quick reminder, if this video gets over 1,000 likes, you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin, right? This is the scenario that we are in, okay? Just a quick reminder, I am expecting this potentially in the next coming days. We are hitting critical resistance that I'll show you now on the 1 hourly and the 2 hourly charts. And as you can see, you know, we do have this ascending channel with these higher highs, higher lows. So far, so good. We got this bearish Gartley pattern. We still have a few days to reach this range, which is around about $47,000, $48,000 area. And also, we got the breakout from this symmetrical triangle that we'll zoom in right now on the 2 hourly. Remember, for those experienced traders, Bybit, my favorite swing trading platform, you get up to $4,100 worth of bonus, 30% fee discount. Prime XBT, the platform that I use for day trading, up to $7,000 worth of bonus. You get 7% added to your deposit. I got both of the video tutorials of these platforms down below in the description. Now, as you can see here on the 1 hourly chart, sorry, we got the bearish Gartley hitting that target to perfection, almost the 43.5. Okay, very much expecting that area since we were trading all the way down here. Now that we are here, we are hitting this major resistance zone, okay? This is in between $43,000 and $44,000, so it can be 43.4, 43.5. This is why I have these couple of lines here. We got this major resistance. We had a huge, big drop, okay? This was back on the 20th, all right? We peaked here and had a very aggressive drop, as you can see on the chart. Now, we held very nicely as support here for a couple of bounces once we were getting above this range. So this is why it's reacting as big resistance. We've also got the bearish Gartley right over here, and yesterday we were talking about the scenario where as soon as the price comes all the way back up to try and attempt to break this resistance zone, it is the moment of truth, and this is happening right now. Now is the time that we either break above. We're already having some attempts in breaking and failing. This is showing weakness, guys. This is showing weakness of the bulls because we have been going up and up with the retracements. Now, double top potential, okay, weakness, as you can see on the chart. Now, this is the moment, guys. In the next coming hours, we either break up or break down. And I just want to let you know that I am in a short position here on Bybit, okay, around about the 42.9K levels with a very tight stop loss above 43.5. I got my stop loss around about 43.8 approximately, just in case we do have a couple of more wicks. But that is because I am waiting for this scenario, and I can show you multiple examples, all right, where you have a failed resistance breakout, okay? There is one right over here. From this top, you have a failed resistance breakout. You have a correction. You have the same scenario right now happening. Now, this is the moment of truth in the next coming hours. I could show you multiple attempts. If I zoom out, there is another failed breakout from this high. Failed breakout. What happens? Massive correction. This is how the market moves. So definitely good opportunity right there, because the risk to reward, guys, and that's the most important thing in trading. You want to risk a small amount, stop loss right there. You get stopped out, that is totally fine because it's so small, but the risk to reward here is absolutely huge. As soon as we start coming all the way down to potentially hit the 42.5, I will be protecting my position, because it is true. I either get stopped out here with a small loss, or it is true that we are creating higher lows. So we will be finding some kind of support also here on the way down, okay? This could still continue having multiple attempts at this resistance, kind of creating a huge ascending triangle, and then finally break up, okay? Risk management, small stop loss, and protect your position at every time. So that is the scenario that I'm waiting for. If I protect my positions once we have in this correction, okay, the reason why, you know, maybe a take profit one level would be here, the $42,000, because it's been a very, very strong resistance and support level. But there is a possibility, okay, the target from this bearish Gartley is coming potentially all the way down to the $40,000 level. It's the 618, more or less, slightly below the $40,000. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see a liquidity grab above these higher lows. We've got higher lows, and maybe a potential correction slightly below these higher lows, liquidity grab, bounce from the 618, and also bounce from the resistance of this this symmetrical triangle. Okay, these lines over here, these white lines with these higher lows, higher low, higher low, lower high, lower high. We got that beautiful bounce from the resistance, as you can see here. Now we could potentially get another bounce if we do come there in the next couple of days. It's just a scenario, guys. It is a potential scenario. This is no guarantee this is going to happen, but I just want to show you the potential scenarios here. We got fib level 618. We got the resistance here. If we come down in the next couple of days, it's very, very likely we're going to get supported at that $40,000 range. Okay, just a quick update, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a live stream. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.